Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about setting up a Facebook ad for Instagram growth. So to get more followers to your Instagram account. This is perfect if you are a business and you want to get your brand awareness out there. If you are a personal brand like myself and you're trying to grow in the entrepreneurship space or, whatever space it is. Maybe you have a lifestyle blog, or you are a fitness entrepreneur and you're selling like your fitness course or coaching, whatever it is. This is perfect for Instagram growth. This is the exact same setup that I have for my personal ads. If some of you have saw them, you guys today are going to learn my exact targeting for those Instagram story ads. And I know that, the Facebook page like campaign video that I did, I think a month or so back has gotten crazy amount of views, comments from you guys. I've been getting DMs on Instagram about it, requesting, an Instagram story ad type video, just like the Facebook one. So that's why I'm doing this today, because, it seems that you guys love these type of videos. So yeah, today you guys are going to learn my exact targeting for my Instagram story ads. I'm super excited, and let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so a quick little note that I want to mention is that this is not like the Facebook page like campaign video that I did a couple months ago. This is, you're getting people to your account that you can actually monetize from. These are people who are actually truly interested in, what you have to offer. This is not like the Facebook page like, because the Facebook page like, you're doing that for social proof. You want people to, when they go onto your Facebook page, they see a bunch of likes. They know that your page is active because they see the engagement on the post, things like that. But it's not really targeted. These are really, really targeted. And like I said, you can monetize from these people. So it's totally different than the Facebook page like campaign, which means that CPC is going to be higher than the Facebook page like campaign for this Instagram growth ad. Okay, so once you're logged into your Facebook Business Manager, you're going to want to go ahead and click this little green plus that says create. So that way we can go ahead and create our ad. I'm just going to go ahead and start over because I was filming and then my laptop died. I had to go get my charger, and then, yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and start over. We're going to go for traffic. This is what I do with all of my Instagram story ads for growth. However, I think, this week I'm going to set up a new one for brand awareness, and then I'll let you guys know how that goes as well. I know a lot of people who do their Instagram story ads for, traffic for their marketing objective, and it works like wonders. I use it myself. It works really good. So that's what I'm going to stick to for today's video. Like I said, I might switch over to brand awareness and then let you guys know how that goes as well. So first thing, we're going to rename this campaign. I'm going to call it Instagram growth, and then I'm going to say traffic. Whoops. And then go ahead and continue. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and change the ad set name. I'm going to do US, UK, CA for United States, United Kingdom, Canada. Those are the 3 countries that I'm going to target. We're going to do 15 plus for the age. We're going to target people who are 15 plus, and I'll get more into that as we go down. We're going to do MW for male, woman. We're going to do Instagram story, so we know it's for the story, and then I'm going to type entrepreneurship. Whoops. Okay, so that is the ad set name. You guys go ahead and do something similar to this. If you're an entrepreneur like myself, then you guys can literally copy this step-by-step tutorial exactly like I am. If you're in a different niche, then you're going to change a few things, because you're not going to want to target the same things I'm targeting for your fitness brand, for example. Okay, so leave it at websites, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to work in the audience section right now. Okay, so next we're going to move to location. So we're going to keep everyone in this location, and the reason why is we're not trying to sell anything, so we don't need to put everyone who lives in this location. So I'm going to do United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. All right, so those are the 3 countries that we're going to target. We're going to go ahead and change the age to 15 to about 30. And we're going to keep gender all.
Okay, so we're going to be in the detailed targeting section now. We're going to include advertising agency. All right, digital marketer. Entrepreneurship. Marketing. Digital marketing. Social media. Marketing. I feel like I'm typing so slow. I have these new, my nails are on because I had a photo shoot over the weekend. What do I have? What did I leave off on? Digital marketing, social media marketing, and online marketing. Where is it? Yeah, online advertising. All right, and then we're going to go a step further and we're going to narrow this audience down. And what that means is, we're including people who match at least one of the following up here, and they must also match at least one of the following down here. So we're going to do Gary Vee. We're going to do Grant Cardone, Russell Brunson, where is it? There he is. Ty Lopez, and let's do Tony Robbins. Okay, so those are the well-known entrepreneurs that we're going to target as well.
Okay, so the next section that we're going to work in is placements. We're going to go for edit placements. You're going to want to do click all devices and click desktop, so that way it's only selected for mobile. Go ahead and uncheck Facebook, go ahead and uncheck Instagram feed, uncheck audience network, and Messenger. So the only thing we have is Instagram stories because we're running an Instagram story ad. All right. And then you're going to want to do all mobile devices, and then you are done in this section. We'll move on to budget and schedule. So for the budget, we're going to do a daily budget of $5, and we're going to run continuously. There's going to be no end date. And then we're going to go for link clicks, okay? Okay, so go ahead and click continue. Okay guys, next we're going to change the ad name. I'm going to do image 2 because I want to keep it coherent with all of my other ad names. So, my team and myself, when we refer to an image, we know exactly what image we're talking about because we keep an Excel sheet. So if I name this image, image 2, and then another ad, image 1, but it's the same exact picture, we're going to get mixed up. So we name the pictures. That's how we keep them online. So this is image 2 because I'm going to be using image 2. However, you guys don't have to do that for yourself. It's probably going to be a lot less complicated. But if you're running multiple ads, then I suggest keeping it really organized this way. And then we're going to do make sure it's connected to your Facebook page, your Instagram account. Make sure these are correct because these are what it's going to be running to. Okay, so for format, we're going to do single image or video. Okay, we're going to do for media, we're going to click on image, make sure that the size is correct for the Instagram story, and then go ahead and upload your image. Okay, so here is my Instagram story image that I'm going to be using. And these are brand new images I actually just created today because, like I said, I'm going to be running some new ads. Okay, so the next section is links. We're going to do website. And then for the website URL, you're going to put your Instagram URL, which is just instagram.com/your username. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that right here. Okay, guys, so once you have your website URL here, the call to action you want to keep to learn more. And basically that just means the little swipe up down here, learn more. And then you are done. Make sure it's connected to your Facebook pixel, that we can gather the information data. And then here's the ad preview. So this is going to be one of my new ads. Like I said, this exact setup is what I've been using, so I do know that it works. The only things that I'm changing are, the image, and then I'm going to do another one for brand awareness. So yeah, guys, that is it. You're going to go ahead and click this little green button, confirm. Okay, so that's going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found some value in it. Like I said, this is the exact targeting that I use for my personal Instagram story ads. So, it's out there now. You guys can go ahead and use it as well. It works really good. I know it's going to work great for you guys. Just follow this step-by-step tutorial and make sure you guys have a couple different images that you're going to test so you know what works. You can go ahead and test some videos as well. I'll be incorporating videos pretty soon once I get those made. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about, how this works, or, if I didn't cover something, just go ahead and comment down below. And if you guys have any video ideas that you guys want me to do, just go ahead and comment down below as well. I'll be looking at those. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you found value in it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe, because you can turn on the post notifications so that way you never miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.